In this home science challenge, an aluminum foil boat is built to glide across a water tank while carrying weights. First, fold a foil sheet into a boat with a pointed bow and hollow hull to trap air. Then fill a shallow tray with water, place the boat, and add coins until it sinks, knotting the max load. The trick lies in buoyancy and surface area. Increasing hull volume lowers the unit weight per area, letting more weight float. Fun fact, Archimedes explained buoyancy centuries ago, and this simple test shows how density and displacement determine flotation.